Hey guys, it's Modern Refugee. I had somebody ask me about off-grid cooking, and I kind of really like off-grid cooking kind of as a hobby, but I kind of also, it has a practical purpose that I kind of wanted to talk to you about. You know, you can store all the rice and beans in the world, but if you don't have a way to cook them, you're kind of SOL if there's a long-term power outage or something. So, you know, you're never, everybody talks on YouTube about, an EMP or the grid going down or something like that. Well, an ice storm can take out your power for a couple of weeks just as easy as, some geopolitical event. So I kind of practice cooking outside so I can, feed my family and friends if something bad happens, Beans and rice need a lot of cooking, and, I can actually cook them with nothing but wood and a pot if I got that. So that's kind of why I get into the off-grid cooking and stuff. I think it's a very important skill, being able to cook what you can find, when you can find it, where you're at. That's kind of my philosophy in that. So that's kind of why I'm into cast iron, and I'm into older recipes and things like that. I can cook just about anything over an open fire, and I've practiced cooking just about anything over an open fire, and I kind of want the people to watch my channel to kind of practice that stuff too. That's kind of why I'm putting my videos out there like that, my recipes out there, so you guys ever have to cook some soup or cook some beans or rice over an open fire or on a grill or a camp stove or something like that, you can do that. I mean, that's why I even showed some cooking right there in my wood stove. I mean, even if you got a wood stove, you can still cook in it. I don't know if most folks know that. So I'm just kind of wanting to share that type of information, kind of some of my recipes, kind of those type things. I mean, even if you stumble across a dozen eggs in a bag of flour, I can still make something with a pot and a little bit of wood. So that's kind of, I want folks to kind of work on those skills. That's kind of why I'm throwing all this stuff out here. But anyway, I don't want to ramble on too long. I just kind of wanted to mention that to everybody. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. I'm hoping I'm sharing stuff that you guys like. Please feel free to comment. I love answering questions back, and I love talking to people. So if you got a question or something, don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and I'll try to get back with you. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope I gave you guys something a little bit to think about. But y'all take care of yourselves.